GenAI transformed a fintech company's complex document operations into a streamlined, intelligent workflow. The client, a financial solutions provider for real estate firms, faced a recurring challenge: processing thousands of insurance documents manually. Extracting information from certificates of insurance required time, effort, and constant quality checks. With documents coming from over 100 different carriers, each with its own structure and language, the process was slow, error-prone, and expensive. Their goal was clear: to automate document classification, extraction, and verification using advanced AI. To solve this, we built two fully automated workflows. The first handled document classification, data extraction, and verification, while the second ensured continuous fine-tuning and model improvement. The document workflow began with an AI-driven text extractor based on deep learning, built to handle diverse document formats. Once the text was extracted, a fine-tuned language model, supported by prompt engineering, classified the documents into three categories: certificates of insurance, cancellation or reinstatement notices, and renewals. The primary focus was automating certificates of insurance. Next, a carrier identification step determined whether each document came from a trained or untrained insurance provider, a crucial distinction for accuracy control. Then, a fine-tuned model extracted all critical data fields from each certificate and assigned a confidence score to every extracted value. Low confidence fields were flagged for manual review, ensuring accuracy without slowing down automation. Since high-quality labeled data was limited, subject matter experts curated and validated data from 25 carriers to train the model. The results were exceptional: 99.9% accuracy for 92% of critical fields and 80% for less critical ones. Even for untrained carriers, the system maintained an average accuracy of 85%, with minimal manual correction. The second workflow, a continuous fine-tuning pipeline, kept the model improving by retraining it with corrected and new data. It adapted to evolving document formats and new carriers automatically, ensuring the system stayed relevant and reliable. Overall, over 92% of fields were extracted with near-perfect accuracy, drastically cutting manual work and processing time. The model intelligently routed uncertain data for human review, creating a self-improving feedback loop. This Gen AI-driven solution not only solved the client's immediate challenges, but also built a scalable foundation for future automation, proving how responsible, well-designed AI can transform traditional business operations into fast, efficient, and intelligent ecosystems.